Greetings to you. I am Sunday, a top 3% global talent that's flexible and affordable. I'm here to make your content shine in a way that will make you go, wow. Ever felt like something is just missing and you need that little extra touch to make it sparkle? That's exactly where I come in. I take your raw ideas and transform them into eye-catching, high-quality videos that grabs attention. Whether it's video editing, film production, or YouTube setup and management, I've got thousands of active subscribers myself, so I've got you covered. Plus, with my background in social media management from my last 9-to-5 job before I switched to full-time freelancing, which helps me focus more on your project, I can help you grow your online presence like never before. Honestly, you can consider me your creative virtual assistant, as I have many other complementary skills I bet you will need. I've had the privilege of working with global and local brands, from big names to small businesses. You can look up what my clients are saying in the review section. I'm excited to achieve the same excellence for your projects. With me, you will get lightning fast turnaround time, clear and friendly communication, and unlimited revision until you are 101% satisfied with your projects. It's only fair that I give you a 100% refund if you are unsatisfied with my work. It's zero risk working with me, honestly. So why not jump on a call right away, or simply send me your footage right now. You can bet I will turn it into a fantastic video content. I am just a message away. Reach out now and I will respond instantly.